Oh, hi. I was just playing with my fidget toy. I like it because it's fun. And it keeps my hand busy. You know why I also love? Puppets. Reminds me of the bubble wraps we used to play when we were kids. And my fidget cube. What I love about fidget toys is that it's very beneficial for people with autism. It helps reduce stress, keeps them busy, and if, let's say, you have people with autism in school or work, that can be beneficial too, as it can help relieve some stress if they get overwhelmed, or it just helps when they need to get through the day. And I have a fidget toy, which is another fidget cube that I take with me for work. The one I just showed you is for home. And I would take my fidget toy to work, and whenever I feel stressed and stuff, I would fiddle around with it to help relieve some stress, and that is how it helped me get through the day. And if you are ever interested in getting like fidget toys, I highly recommend. It's really soothing, it's very therapeutic, and it can help people with autism. And it certainly helped me with my autism as well. In fact, I think I might start a collection someday. What do you guys think? Oh, sorry. I got a little carried away with my fidget toy. Don't forget, I'm selling autism awareness bracelet in love and support for people with autism and in honor of Autism Awareness Month. I also have other bracelets, t-shirts, and more, all for a fair price. I'm also having a spring sale which will go on until June 5th. Everything is half off. Want to get the sales price? Use the promo code SPRING25 and apply it to your order. Visit my website and place your order. Link is in my bio. We also have a PayPal option under payments so you can place your order. We also take Cash App, but hurry. Sales ends on June 5th.